Okay, we now have 3 pipes on this side located. The end of one is right about there. The end of another is where Elias is digging his hand in over there. And then just to his right, you can just make out the metal of a 3rd pipe. So, Dave, there's just 3 pipes on this side? 4. Okay, so where's that 4th one then?
Actually, I think it's 5. There's 5 on this side.
Okay, so we've still got the ends of a couple more to find. We've diverted. Move over, Elias. Please, thank you. We've dug through in there to try to divert a lot of this water over to those pipes, so those are more full now. Less water running through here. The reason so that we could dig up that piece of metal. That's the piece of metal in the other video that was sticking up. That was blocking one of the pipes. And some of these really big rocks that you see there were also blocking some of the pipes. Which of course causes the water to go up and over the top, which of course is what washes away all the little stuff so we can get it slurried with concrete and then that won't wash out again.